Here we need to ask the user for the name of their favorite singer. So we need to create a variable, we can call it singer, and we use input command to ask the question, and then we put enter favorite singer. And then it says store the length of the singer's name in a variable called name length. So we need to create a variable called name length, and we put len, so we use the function called len to store the length of the singer. Then it says ask how many characters do they want to see, starting from the first from the singer's name, starting from the first character. So we need to create a variable called characters. We use integer and then input, speaker is going to be a whole number. Then how many characters do they want to see? It says example, if the user types 4, it will show the first 4 characters. Then it says add validation check so that the amount of characters the user enters is not bigger than the total length of the name, which means that if the user types Katie, for example, and then he types how many characters he wants to see the first 5 characters of the name Katie, then that's not going to be possible because Katie has 4 characters. So we need to create a check for that to ensure that the user gets an error message. Let's say if they type 100, I doubt there is any name that has 100 characters. So in that case, we need to use an if statement. So we need to say if characters, which is the number that the user entered, is bigger than the name length, which is how many characters is inside the singer's name, then we want to display an error message. Otherwise, we want to display how many characters the user wanted, and we do that using the print command, and then we put the singer variable, and then we start from 0 up to, so colon, and then up to characters. For example, if that was 4, it will go from 0 colon 4, which will display the first 4 characters of the name, which means even if they typed Katie, Katie will have 4 characters, so that will work. It will display all 4 characters.